New build expansion ship owner 534. We have clients arriving with the new builds because is it the best way to diversify? Should we have this pool of 50 crew management companies, but none of them give us a full solution, mixing Nigerian officers and ratings with Angola, and then Cuba, Venezuela, Spain, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Latvia, ex-USSR, and then Asian nationalities, and then Latino. Oh, forgot about Latinos. What if ships are trading around Panama Canal? Is it 25% of all the fleet? Then why not consider Venezuela? Well, because what? We could really get your new build fleet, container, bulk carrier, tanker, chemical, LPG, LNG. We can use, for example, LNG, Spanish flag. Some companies are flagging out because they lost the charters, 25 years and so on. Why some are having these French flags? But Spanish officers like the Spanish flag because it has the biggest competitive advantage in this planet, which is 1 day on board equals you and me 2 days ashore working. So we have to work 50 years for retirement, 100% pension. Then the officers only with 25 is okay. Out of those 25, only 12.5 on board. So imagine you and me work 50, they work 12.5. Of course, they accrue 50% leave and so on. Why? So there are many tricks for any new builds of LNGs, LPGs and so on. But please consider Candina because we can really take away this headache of having these 50 suppliers that you have today, which is the biggest companies, yes, but who gives you one solution for your new build? Candina. Why? Because some ships, 50% will be trading around Spain. Hello, here we are in Spain. Then 25% around Panama. Hello. Then you can make a decision about the flag, about the nationality, about the language. Why not? Do it yesterday. Then you are one step ahead of your competitors, dear ship owner, and then you are investing in the long term. When we have inflation, then and the government's printing money, we can invest in Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, Amazon, because robots are going to take over these warehouses and blah blah blah. Or we can train our cadets and make pools that no one can defeat us because this crew will be loyal to us like Candina will be to you, dear ship owner. Let's start with your fleet of new builds. When? Yesterday. Thank you for your time.